Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning for the all audience in this class. Now we try to continue our discussing about the sums probability distribution, especially for the discrete random variable. For this time, we will discuss about the geometric distribution. Okay, let's open our the slide presentation. Okay, we still use the mathematical statistical with application books. Okay, according to these books, the all properties in the binomial distribution we can use for the geometric probability distribution. Okay, we have known in the binomial distribution based on the 5 properties. So according to this book, we can use that properties. We must remember have the n identical trials, only 2 possible outcomes, success and failure, probability p for the success, and the probability k for the failure or unsuccess, independent trials, and there is the random variable way for the interested the random variable. Okay, so what is the difference between the binomial and geometry? Okay, we can read from this book. Okay, this one. In this book, okay, in this book we can see. Okay, we can see the geometric random variable y is the number of the trial on which the first success occurs. So it's mean the main issue in the geometry probability distribution is the first success occurs. Okay. For example, in the ones trials, this is only the first success. Okay, it means after we find a success, we stop. We don't care what the trial after in the success. We don't care about what is the trial after S. And then next, for the 2 trials, we find in the second trial is a success, first success in the second trial. So we must stop. We don't care about the trial after the success. Okay. In the 3 trial, okay, in the 3 trial, we find the first success on the 3rd trial. So after we find a success, we don't care again about what's the trial after the success. We don't care again. So it means if we have the k trials, so the first success on the k trials, and then after that we don't care again. In this theory, after we have the S, we don't care about what the trial after the success, but before success, all the trial must be failed. This is the concept of the geometric distribution. So, how the formula comes from this theory? Okay, from the theory based on the set property in the binomial, probability f is p. Okay, key probability f is key, and the probability f is key. Okay, and then until this one is still key, is probability f, and the probability s is p. So if we have the y trials, of course the fail trial is this y minus 2. So based on the first trial on the binomial, the all trial are independent. So it means we must take the multiple for all the trial. So it means the formula for geometric distribution is mass Q power Y minus 1 multiplied by P. Of course, Y start from 1. Okay, for P between 0 and 1. In the binomial, we starting with 0, but for geometric, we starting with the 1. This is the concept. Okay. After we understand about this, the fixed formula for geometry in the probability distribution, especially for the discrete random variable, we can prove that the summation Py equal to 1. Okay. This theory that guarantee your formula is correct. Okay. So, of course, Py is geometry. So it means we must try to prove the summation Q power 1 minus 1 multiplied by P. Okay. Y starting from the 1. So because P is not relationship with Y, so we can put P here multiplied by Q power Y minus 1. Starting Y from the 1. So we can try to solve this proof with that we are trying to make like this one. Q1 minus 1, Q2 minus 1, this is plus, sorry, plus Q3 minus 1 plus Q4 minus 1, okay, until and so on, okay, until blah, blah, blah. So this one must be Q power 0 plus Q power 1 plus Q power 2 plus Q power 3, okay, and so on. So if we try to thinking about this series, of course, we must remember about the geometric series. The geometric series have the same ratio for the after value and the before the value. It means if we are trying to thinking about this series, okay, we will find the ratio is key. Why? Because Q divide 1 is Q, and Q power 2 divide Q is Q, and the Q power 3 divide the Q power 2 is Q. So it means they have the same ratio. Ratio is mean we divide after and before. So from this case, we understand that Q power 0, Q power 1, Q power 2, Q power 3 is the geometric series. Okay. In the concept of the series, the geometric, we have known to make the summation until the infinity, we must use the formula, the initial value divided by 1 minus R. R is mean the ratio. So from this concept, the initial value is Q power 0 or 1 divided by 1 minus Q. So equal to 1 divide 1 minus Q. We know that 1 minus Q is P. So is 1 summation until infinity, it means that 1 divide P. So from this theory, the theory of series of geometric, we can conclude that P multiplied by 1 per P. So its mean is 1. So we are success to prove the summation Py equal to 1. So this theory is guaranteed our formula for the geometric distribution is right formula. So we can use this formula for the all case, especially for the case we can find the first success on the Y trials. Okay, I think this is good, the theory we will discuss today. And I hope this theory can help the student have the confidence to study about the probability distribution. Okay, I think this is enough for this time. See you again in the next time. Rado Yendra and Rado Institute. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.